Welcome to this quick guide on enabling spell check in WhatsApp for PC with the latest update. If you've ever sent a message full of typos and wished for a quick fix, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the exact steps so you can type with confidence every time. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. If you're switching from mobile to desktop, you'll notice the familiar layout designed to keep you productive while chatting. The goal today is to turn on spell checking so your messages come out clean and clear. Next, look to the left side menu and locate the gear icon. This is the settings hub for your WhatsApp experience on desktop. A quick click here opens up a fresh set of options tailored to how you want the app to behave while you chat. From the settings screen, you'll want to enter the chats section. This is where the app stores your conversation preferences, including appearance, chat history, and now spell check. In some versions, you may see a toggle labeled spell check under the typing or message settings. If you don't see it immediately, take a moment to scan the typing related options. The spell check feature is usually grouped with input and language tools for easy access. Once you find the spell check toggle, switch it on. Enabling spell check activates automatic word monitoring as you type, catching misspellings and suggesting corrections in real time. This makes composing messages feel smoother and reduces the back and forth of correcting mistakes later. To get the most out of this feature, ensure your PC's language and keyboard settings align with your preferred language. If WhatsApp offers multiple language options for spell checking, pick the one you use most often. This alignment helps the suggestions stay relevant and accurate as you chat across different conversations. A quick tip: if you ever want to refine suggestions, periodically review your keyboard and language preferences in Windows or macOS settings. Keeping these in sync with WhatsApp's spell check can reduce false positives and improve overall accuracy. That's all there is to it. With spell check enabled, you can focus more on the message itself and less on proofreading. If you want to customize further, explore other typing or notification options in the same settings menu to tailor the experience to your workflow. If you found this walkthrough helpful, share it with someone who types fast but could use a little extra accuracy. And tell me in the comments if there are other WhatsApp features you'd like explained in the same clear step-by-step style.